Hello, friends. You're watching Cool Product. And today we're counting down the top 5 best car diagnostic tools to help you pull codes, run active tests, and reset key services with less guesswork, whether you're a DIYer or a pro in the shop. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Otofix D1 Lite car diagnostic tools. The Otofix D1 Lite car diagnostic tool is a wireless OBD2 scanner designed to help you pinpoint vehicle problems fast and confirm your repairs without wasting time on guesswork. It delivers a full shop-level scanning experience packed into a highly portable and easy-to-use tablet format. Running on Android 9.0, the operating menu on the Otofix D1 Lite feels incredibly smooth and familiar. Under the hood, it features a 1.5 GHz 4-core processor paired with 2 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. This hardware setup ensures that functions open quickly and that you always have plenty of storage space for your diagnostic data. You also will not have to worry about hunting for a charger during a job because the built-in 5800 mAh battery handles longer working sessions with ease. For connectivity, the Otofix D1 Lite utilizes an upgraded V1 Bluetooth connection and can lead to making sure that you are all present in your own hands. This wireless design is fantastic because it allows you to move freely around the car while staying connected to the vehicle. It also supports advanced network protocols like CAN-FD and DOIP, which are essential when you are working on newer vehicles. With coverage for over 100,000 vehicles and support for more than 21 languages, this scanner is fully prepared for daily maintenance across a huge variety of automotive brands. When you need deeper troubleshooting, the Otofix D1 Lite offers comprehensive full system diagnostics. You can scan far beyond just the engine, checking complex systems like the transmission, airbag, ABS, ESP, SP, TPMS, immobilizer, gateway, steering, radio, and air conditioning. It reads the codes and provides live data to clearly guide your next repair steps. One of the most powerful features here is the bi-directional control for active tests. Instead of just reading a fault code, the Otofix D1 Lite lets you send direct commands to vehicle modules to test specific parts like windows, doors, valves, wipers, and headlights. This drastically cuts down your diagnostic time because you are testing the actual component directly. For everyday maintenance, it includes over 38 reset functions such as oil reset, TPMS reset, injector coating, suspension adjustments, and throttle matching. This gives you the practical tools professional workshops use daily. It even supports the MV105 endoscope, making visual inspections much easier when you need to look into tight spaces. Next up, at number 4, we have the Mucar VO7S car diagnostic tools. The Mucar VO7S car diagnostic tool is a smooth tablet-style scanner that helps you go beyond basic code reading to understand what is happening across your entire vehicle. It runs on Android 10.0 and features a clear 7-inch touchscreen, making the menu feel familiar and easy to tap through, even when you are working in a garage. A big advantage of the Mucar VO7S is its massive compatibility. It supports 106 car brands, making it a perfect fit whether you work on various customer vehicles or maintain multiple cars at home. It also supports 17 languages, including English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Russian, Polish, Hungarian, Arabic, Greek, Slovak, Dutch, Korean, Turkish, and Czech. Having all these options means you can comfortably use the scanner in your preferred language. When it comes to performance, the Mucar VO7S takes a big step up by supporting CAN-FD protocols. This is a feature the standard Mucar VO7 lacks, and it really matters when working on newer vehicles, especially General Motors models built after 2020. This faster communication makes diagnostics feel quicker and much more stable. It also uses advanced CRC algorithms to handle more data within the CAN frame, moving from 8 to 64 bytes. In simple terms, it moves information faster and reduces the chance of missed errors, so you can trust the data on your screen. For everyday workshop needs, you get full OBDI functions along with 28 reset maintenance functions. These are incredibly helpful for completing common service tasks after a repair. When digging deeper, the Mucar VO7S supports full system diagnosis, allowing you to check complex systems beyond just the engine. By adding ECU coding and active tests, this device becomes a powerful tool that lets you test specific components directly. Instead of guessing, you can test systems with total confidence. Finally, with 32 gigabyte storage, you have plenty of room to save data and vehicle information. The sleek tablet design brings it all together, keeping the unit convenient for quick checks and comfortable during longer diagnostic sessions. Taking the third spot is the Autel Maxicom car diagnostic tools. The Autel Maxicom MK808S car diagnostic tool is built to scan deeply, spot hidden faults, and save you a massive amount of time when a warning light pops up and you need fast answers. It helps you stop guessing and start understanding exactly what your car is trying to tell you. One of the most exciting upgrades with the Autel Maxicom MK808S is the newly released bi-directional control feature. This means the scanner can perform active tests instead of just reading diagnostic codes. Rather than wondering if a specific part is broken, you can directly command systems to respond and physically confirm what is happening. You can run practical checks on power windows, rear mirrors, the sunroof, and the windshield wipers. This is a huge advantage because it narrows down the exact problem incredibly quickly, long before you start spending money and replacing parts blindly. Autel also designed the MK808S to perform an original equipment level all systems scan. It communicates with a wide range of modules on up to 99% of OBD2 vehicles, depending on the make, model, and year. You are not stuck with a basic scanner that only checks the engine and stops. You get access to systems like the engine, automatic transmission, airbags, immobilizer, anti-lock braking system, and cruise control. It also scans instruments, suspension systems, seats, doors, the gateway, steering angle, air suspension, body systems, electronic power steering, tire pressure, rain sensors, and four-wheel drive systems. When trouble codes do show up, the Autel Maxicom MK08S8SH easily decodes both generic and original equipment-specific codes, covering over 7,000 common vehicle issues. Once you locate and fix the problem, you can clear the codes quickly and reset dashboard warning lights. It also displays live data using clear graphics. You can merge these graphs together, making it much easier to spot hidden patterns as an issue develops while the engine runs. And when a repair requires a matching module, this scanner displays the necessary electronic control unit information, ensuring you choose the correct replacement part with confidence. Coming in at number 2 is the Launch X431 Pros Car Diagnostic Tools. The Launch X431 Pros V5.0 Car Diagnostic Tool is built for people who want a smooth, modern scanner that feels incredibly quick in your hands and keeps up with real repair work. It gives you a clear screen, strong performance, and wireless convenience, so you can focus entirely on diagnosing the car instead of fighting with slow menus and tangled cables. Right away, the beautiful 8-inch display makes a massive difference in how you work. With a crisp 1280 by 800 resolution and a familiar Android 10.0 operating system, the Launch X431 Pros V5.0 feels highly responsive and easy to navigate. This is exactly what you need when you are reading live data and switching quickly between different diagnostic screens without experiencing any annoying lag. Speed is another major strong point for this device. It runs on a powerful 2.0 GHz quad-core processor, paired beautifully with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. That means it handles complex electronic control unit coding and detailed full system scans very smoothly. In real terms, you spend much less time waiting for pages to load and far more time getting the crucial answers you need to fix the vehicle. Battery life is also thoughtfully designed for long jobs. The high-capacity 6,300 mAh battery gives you extended working time for on-the-go repairs. This is especially helpful when you are moving between multiple vehicles all day and simply do not want to stop to recharge constantly. To keep the Launch X431 Pro's V5.0 useful for the long term, it includes 2 full years of free software updates along with a generous 5-year warranty. That means you can effortlessly stay current with new software features and the latest vehicle support, while enjoying extra peace of mind about long-term reliability. Wireless connectivity is completely built in with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. This gives you highly stable connections for all your diagnostics and data transfers without ever being tied down by frustrating cables. Finally, the Launch X431 Pro's V5.0 comes in both EU version and global version options, letting you choose the exact model that matches your region and vehicle coverage needs. And finally, our top pick, the Xtool D8W car diagnostic tools. The Xtool D8W Wi-Fi diagnostic tool is made for those times when you need answers fast and you do not want to bounce between basic scans and guesswork. Built for professional workshops and serious do-it-yourself users, this scanner focuses on speed, clarity, and total vehicle control. It allows you to move directly from a problem to a solution with far less frustration. To keep things running smoothly, the Xtool D8W uses Wi-Fi for a highly stable connection. It is also powered by CAN, FD, and DIP protocols, which helps it communicate incredibly fast with modern vehicles. In simple terms, this tool can pull vital information almost instantly. You spend less time waiting for screens to load and much more time actually diagnosing the car. One feature that truly changes the diagnostic experience is the Intelligent Topology Map. On the Xtool D8W, you get a beautifully clear, real-time view of all the control modules and exactly how they connect to each other. That visual layout makes it incredibly easy to see where a fault might be hiding, and it helps you spot related system issues right away. When something goes wrong, you can simply follow the map on the screen, isolate the faulty module, and narrow down the root cause without chasing random error codes. For deeper diagnostic work, the Xtool D8W also includes electronic control unit, coding, and offline programming. This gives you far more capability for complex repairs that go beyond just reading and clearing faults. It is exactly the kind of advanced support you need when a vehicle requires proper setup after a parts replacement. Then there is the practical bidirectional control with active tests. With the Xtool D8W, you can send direct commands to the electronic control unit to switch specific components on and off without touching the vehicle controls. This is incredibly useful because it helps you easily confirm whether a part responds correctly, cutting down your diagnostic time when verifying a suspected issue. You also get a fantastic 8-in-1 data stream display. Instead of jumping between different pages, you can watch multiple live signals at the same time and catch hidden patterns easily. Finally, with over 42 reset services included, the Xtool D8W helps you complete common maintenance procedures that need a proper system reset after the physical job is done. Here's the part that saves you money. Check the price link in the description. And if you found this breakdown helpful, like and subscribe to Cool Product for more tool roundups and buying guides.